Do you clean luxury homes or large multi-story properties?
Yes, we have extensive experience cleaning luxury homes and multi-story properties across Melbourne, including high-end residences, architect-designed homes, and prestige listing in suburbs like Toorak, Brighton, South Yarra, Kew, and Malvern. Our luxury and large property presale cleaning service includes a larger team of experienced, vetted cleaners, additional hours and flexibility to accommodate complex layouts, custom checklists based on styling and agent priorities, optional add-ons like carpet steam cleaning, external window washing, pressure washing, and balcony poolside area cleaning. Whether your home features high ceilings and grand staircases, multiple living zones and bathrooms, designer kitchens and butler's pantries, outdoor entertaining spaces, gym rooms, or libraries, we have the expertise and professionalism to clean and present it to luxury sales standards. Premium homes demand premium preparation, and our team delivers the detail, discretion, and polish your property deserves.